Hi, I'm Antoine Johnson. I'm a Senior Customer Experience Technology Analyst for RICOH in the Chicago area. The Customer Experience Centers, we have 3 in the country, and at these facilities we have the ability to show off a wide variety of products that RICOH offers, from solutions to hardware to some of our cameras. We have a wide variety of products. COVID's made it very challenging to the point where day to day we're used to being in front of a person, looking at them, talking to them directly, and it's very challenging to try to show off something and not see that visual marker as to how they're receiving the product. Reactiv has made it a lot easier for me to do virtual demonstrations, because in the past we've tried a variety of ways of doing this, and a lot of times it was very kludgy on how the demonstration was perceived. With Reactiv, it gives me a lot more of flexibility to make a workflow that can adjust to a variety of customers. So it gives me the ability to pre-build all my demos ahead of time. It gives me the ability to use the various camera views, where in the past I did not have that ability to change views and be able to truly show off the entire device, whether it's the interface, whether it's a part of the hardware. It makes it more seamless from a virtual standpoint. Here I'm utilizing Reactiv to create a virtual workflow for how I want to show off various products. Here I have the folders on the various brochures. I have the ability to bring up a variety of cameras, but here I have currently 3 camera views. One of me at the board, so I can show off the brochures, as well as, let me bring this over, the operation panel of the device. Here I can change the camera views to show off anything I need to show off either side of the device. And if I need to go and talk about the toner trays, I can show that off here, where I can just easily pull out and see elements of the device. If I need to talk about the finisher, I can just rotate my camera view again and walk over to here and show off the various parts of the finisher, from stapling, hole punching, the various knobs that are required if there is a potential paper jam. Going to talk about the booklet finisher, the different exit trays. So I have the ability to show off the entire device from a centralized location. Here I have the ability to utilize an iPad with remote desktop to help in the flow of how I demonstrate it. Like, say I want to show off the op panel, I can go over here, bring up a web browser, enlarge it to adequate view, and I can control the op panel directly from the iPad and demonstrate the various elements of the device from a usability standpoint. Here I can control the cameras, where I can zoom in. Say I want to show off the toner. I can zoom in and position so I can focus a little better on the various elements I want to show, where I can zoom in and show the cartridges, how easy it is to replace a cartridge. I can go in and pull up documents for the variety of wide formats that we have. Production. And I can go into specific information about the different elements of the device, as well as the specs on the device as needed. with Reactiv, it gives me the ability to show off products as if the customer was here, really engaged in a physical demonstration without actually having to physically be here.